Alrighty. Alright, now in this first portion of the show, Twiggy wants to demonstrate for you the correct water skiing position. For those of you that are interested in learning to ski, she's got a few pointers for you before you get on the water. First thing you want to do is, just like Twiggy, you want to brush your hair and get all nice and pretty for the cameras. Next you want to, hey Twiggy, you messed up my lines. Alright, first thing you want to do is have one foot on each ski. Then you want to keep your knees bent, your back straight, and hold on to your toe nice and tight with both hands. But last and not least, and most important, you want to keep that tail up out of the water. And Twiggy's doing a real good job at that. There you go. That's my cue, Mom. There you go. Got good form out there. This is your first lap. Alright, so you got three more. Good girl. Alright, Mommy, we got it. We got it. We're doing good. Alright, not yet. Now you got two more. Not yet. No. You're going to the skis. You're going to the skis. There you go. Look at that. We're going to use my tail as a rudder. Twiggy says, alrighty. Alright, well that's going to conclude our show. Thank you very much for coming to see Twiggy. This is Twiggy's favorite part. We're going to have her right over here to my right. You're all welcome to come up, pet her, or give her a little kiss if you like. Come to Mama. There you go. Y'all give her a round of applause. You did a great job.